Hello, what's up guys? Today we're gonna be playing epic mini games. So yeah, check out. If you're wondering why I didn't make a Fortnite video, it's because I only make Fortnite videos on what's it called? On on Thursdays and Fridays. So yeah. Right now, what the hell is happening? Okay. Yeah. So on my first video, thank you for the support, for the all the people who what's it called? Subscribe to me. This, you can even just because I just joined the game and everything's so glitchy. Kidding me? Yeah. So, the support was great. Thank you to everyone who subscribed. They're very nice. Because it's like my first video, I was very nervous. So yeah. So uh, like on the weekdays I'll be playing PUBG or Roblox, but on the weekends, normally Fortnite, or like Thursday and Friday, maybe Saturday. Who knows? On Thursday, I don't think this Thursday I don't think I'll be making a Fortnite video because I'm going to my home city, not a country, just my home city, and there like I'll sleep there, but I can bring my PS4 there so I can play on my PS4 Fortnite. So, but like who knows? I'll check. And but the internet there is like really bad, so I don't know what's gonna happen. I don't think it's the internet. I think it's like the MS. Is your MS? What is this? What is this? What is this? One player giving a sword. Oh, still like okay. I need to stay here. Oh, that guy. Okay, I know that guy's sword. Okay. Oh, I died. No, something just disconnected. I think my mouse disconnected. I don't know what happened. Uh, this. So people, typical type. Worthy, shining kazoo. Well, oh yeah, let me tell you the people who are shouted out. So there's Yezen 388. Yeah, he's a very good guy. I can't remember their channels, but I'll know their names. One is Firas, his name is Firas, and one is Yusuf. They're both very great. They supported me a lot. So yeah, this is on PC by the way. Um, so I guess you really loved my it's called my video. So yeah, like I'm gonna do it again. Like, I'm gonna do another PUBG video. I did make another PUBG video, but I downloaded it. It was like publishing, but I don't know why I cut in the halfway. I don't know why I cut. I'll try to find if I can. What's it called? Try to upload it. Oh, okay. I love this mode because I haven't played this mode in a long time. I love this mode so much. Oh yeah. I forgot. I thought this is the one with the Stop reloading. I think we're gonna win, yeah. Yeah, let's go. Let's go. We won. Uh, let's go. Revolution Cube. Oh, I know this one. No, not this one. Not this one, not this one. You better be kidding me. Okay, this one is so hard. It's like, there's so much fire. Oh, why is everybody so glitchy? Alright, go on. This one is so hard, I swear. Oh, why am I so glitchy? No, 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 no. Ah, I got it. Oh, no. No, 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 no. Oh, shit, no, no. No, 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 no. I hate these ones. These ones are the hardest. Oh, no, I died. Well, okay. This is so hard. Bomb ball. I think that's a new one. No, I think that's a new one. Yeah, I think that's a new one. Oh, no, it's not new one. Oh, no, 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 no. That's not what. Where's the ball? Oh, no, 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 no. Oh. Oh, my God. No, no, don't call me. Don't call me, dear. Don't call me. Don't call me. Please do not be there. Here's the ball. Here's the ball. Here's the bomb. Don't get it. The bomb should go where I don't like him. It's not my friend. Oh, that guy's the bomb. No, no, no. Oh. Right. I want. Let's go. So yeah, guys, this will be the last mini game. So yeah, and then I need to leave. Yeah. Oh no. Okay, so bye guys. As my second video, it was not that bad. But yeah, so bye guys.